Hello, everybody. Okay, so today we're answering the question, what is the point of meditating? And I wanted to talk about this because oftentimes when we bring up meditation, I get a mixed bag of responses. Either some people feel, oh yes, they use certain apps and they find meditation very calming. They'll just put on something and follow it, and they'll end their nights like that. Or I have some patients or clients who feel, I just cannot meditate. It doesn't work. My mind's just racing. My thoughts, they won't stop. I don't know how to meditate. It just doesn't work for me. Or there are also people who are a bit hesitant and reluctant to try meditating because they feel it interferes with their religious beliefs. Now, my name is Yan Yan Liu, and I help compassionate people break free from anxiety so they can step into the joys of life. Today, I want to talk about how we can use meditation to create that long-term solution when it comes to anxiety, because it goes beyond just putting on an app, listening to it, feeling calm in the moment, and then just carrying on with your day tomorrow. In order for long-term solutions, you need to actually use meditation with intention. And when you can use meditation with intention, you can actually get powerful results. Now, why is this? This is because meditation, the way I like to describe it, is meditation is exercise for your mind. It's exercise for your mind where we're retraining your mind in terms of how it's thinking, its default thought patterns, so that its default way of thinking isn't causing constant stress and anxiety. Okay? Rather, we want a state of calmness and stability. So similar to when you work out and you're training to build muscles, training for endurance, you need to do this consistently to change how your body works. Whether it's building muscles, building core strength, addressing low back pain, your exercise is going to be a little bit different. And same thing with meditation. There's different exercises you can do when it comes to meditation, and it depends on what you need. So this is where working with a practitioner can be helpful, because they can help identify what areas of your mind or thinking, your thoughts or beliefs need improvement. Okay, so in the past couple weeks, I've gone through fundamentals of different mindsets that one needs to understand and embody in order to break free from anxiety. And it's one thing for me to explain it, but it's another for you to actually practice embodying these new ways of thinking so that they become your new default way of thinking on a day-to-day basis. Because right now it's wired one way, and we want to retrain the mind so the different neurons that are connecting, we want to connect different neurons and create different pathways. So I'm going to read a definition of what meditation is, because I actually pulled this just off of Wikipedia, and it's a really great general definition that keeps things really clear and simple. So, meditation is a practice where an individual uses a technique, such as mindfulness or focusing the mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, to train attention and awareness and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm and stable state. So that's the definition provided by Wikipedia. Thank you, Wikipedia. And I like it because it shows that it's a technique, that we're trying to practice. It's an exercise that we're using in order to incorporate different ways of thinking, whether it's mindfulness. So if you need more practice in terms of staying present, being mindful, we're going to use meditation exercises that's geared towards that. For others, if there are different thoughts and beliefs that we've identified to be untrue or inaccurate to what life really is, what we're going to do is use meditation to actually practice the new balanced thoughts so that we create space and practice thinking that way in order for it to become second nature, so it becomes muscle memory. So this is how you can use meditation intentionally in order for you to actually get long-term solutions from anxiety. Again, it goes beyond just putting on a meditation and sitting there listening to it. And it's great. It does create calmness for people, and you should absolutely use it. But I do encourage you to take it to the next level because I want you to have those long-term solutions. Take it to the next level so that you can actually make changes on a day-to-day basis beyond just the moments you're meditating. And once you're able to do that, that is when you're able to go beyond just relaxing in the moment, but also you'll learn how to relax in the moment. So all those people who are feeling, I just can't relax, my mind's just racing when I put on meditation, it just doesn't work for me. When you use meditation intentionally, you'll learn how to actually relax in the moment. And that is extremely powerful. And when it comes to religion, meditation can be religious if you make it religious. So it depends on what you incorporate. And you can make it religious if that is what works for you, but it does not need to be religious at all. Like I said, it's a technique and an exercise for your mind in order to retrain the way your mind is thinking, your different thought patterns. So again, to recap, exercise for your mind is what meditation is, and we have to understand which exercises we need to use when we're meditating so that we're getting specific solutions to our needs when it comes to anxiety. Let me know in the comments below if you meditate, yes or no. I'd love to know. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will catch you guys next week.